Good morning, students. So we had completed our two chapter, lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. Right now we are starting with the functions of management that we had seen. Remember, in that functions of management, first one was planning. Right. So planning. What is planning as per your simple definition? Can anyone say anything that an objective wants to be achieved for that certain kind of plan is to be prepared? That is planning. Now, this is a 7-mark chapter from board view. 1 mark MCQ, 1 mark very short answer, and one question of 5 marks. In the previous two chapters, we had seen 3-mark question. The first chapter was of 10 marks, second chapter was of 6 marks. So 10 and 6, 16 marks. And this is your 7 chapters. So here you will complete your 23 marks. Right. And 5 marks chapter, first chapter that we are going to see. Right. So every question is important from the viewpoint of 5 marks. Now let us see what is planning. Planning, introduction. Business is an economic activity which has the motive of earning profit. Business enterprise has to collect complete information of various activities to be performed well in advance and consider matters like who will do what type of work, how, when, and to what extent. Thus, planning is forecasting the future in present. Underline that line. Planning is forecasting the future in present. Planning is a universal process, whether it is a battlefield, a playground, a business unit, a political institute, a religious institute, or a social institute. Planning is required. So planning is everywhere. That's why it's a universal process. Now, the question arises where it requires. Take example, whether it is a battlefield. Now you can see we are facing the war going on between India and China, economic war also and political war also, that is related to our LAC, line of actual control. There also, so planning is required. Take example, if we can see the forces, China, yesterday only I had seen in news, day before yesterday, in news, certain kind of some 10,000 or more than amount of Chinese soldiers had been sent by Chinese government at that particular border. So what is that planning? In the same way, India is also not behind it. You will see on news there, the Air Force is totally working there. The helicopters that are related to what we say arms immunization ready. I didn't remember the names of the that particular helicopters and all that, but they are moving around, and you would have seen one of the plane they were talking about that can hit up till 25 kilometers of range. So what is required? Planning. Take example, airstrike was done or Uri strike that was done. If you had seen the movie Uri, you can see that how planning was done. Soldiers were asked before the training session start, talk to your family and say them we are under the training session and no one is going to contact you. You will not switch on your phones and all that. What is that? It is a short form of planning. And what was the assurance that given as per planning by the commander that was leading that particular team? None of our soldier will have any harm. All the team members that are going will come as they are going, they will come as they are going, right? So they will come alive only. That was the assurance. Why a person can be so sure? This is the reason, the way he had planned, right? So battlefield, a playground. In your play also, you would have seen either it's a cricket, either it's a football, either it's a kabaddi, or any of the match, a single match. Everyone has planned. Like there are certain matches. Take example, wrestling. You are defensive or you are attacking. That also you can say. It's every player is having only one type of play. Either they are defending or attacking. So in playground also, you can see planning is required. If you ask for cricket team, cricket, why at the time of take example when the if you had seen many of the matches before many matches are started before that they go for pitch analysis and they discuss about the pitch is moderate, the pitch is little bit totally dry, the pitch is having moisture in it. So why that discussion is done and why it is declared on that particular field? That discussion is done because of that the captains of the team, can analyze. If it is a dry, so over there it would be batting is good or bowling is good. So whatever the consequence is the result of the field, they will opt for that particular thing only. Is it clear? So in playground, a business unit is not a new thing. Take example, I always say recently the example of pandemic that is going on. Many of the companies have started manufacturing sanitizers, masks, and all that. Many of the household ladies had started manufacturing masks and selling at the house. So what is that? Developing the business with planning is required. They had planned. Suddenly, we talk about companies, so suddenly they had jumped in it. They would had planned what are the equipments required. Everything is to be planned. A political institute, any political institute you can see, they have a certain planning. Now take example, recently in Bihar, I hope Bihar elections are going to be held. So you would have seen online rallies, what we say digital rallies are held by the BJP's leaders, right? Mr. Amit Shah has what we say held the rallies. JP Nadda, that is Jagat Pratap something. He's the head of the political party of BJP. So that is all planning. How they are approaching people in this pandemic. Also, they need to approach people because the people are going to vote for them. If they say how I can go to the people, rallies cannot be conducted, anything cannot be conducted. So how is it possible? It is not possible. So political institute also use planning. Religious institute, recent example of religious institute, you had seen Jagannath Puri's Rath Yatra. It was a claim Rath Yatra cannot be held because of the pandemic, and it was the belief of the people. If any of the year Jagannath Puri's that temples idols are not out, so they cannot come out in for at least 12 years, right? This is a belief. So for that, government has to give a permission. But how that permission was executed, it is a good planning. So I'm giving you again a question. I want to know how they had executed that planning. So people were not gathered, but the Rath Yatra was done successfully. It has some critics also, and it was uploaded by some people also. So this is a task for student. You are going to give me answer. I'm clearly giving you name of the students. I'm getting answers from last year's question. I got answer only from Pooja about railways. I didn't got answers from any one of you. So I hope many of you will target the question, the search for the question that I am giving you. It enhances your knowledge only. It is not enhancing me. Is it clear? Or social institutes, right? Religious institute or social institute, one in the same. Planning is required in every field. It's an important question. It's a 1 mark question also. It's a 5 mark question also. How it is a 5 mark question, we'll see in the next topic. Planning, we what we want to achieve in future and how, but these various alternatives are to be considered, and from those the best alternative is to be selected. See, whatever you plan, whatever is best for you, that has to be selected. Well, take example, recently we had met with our ex student, those who had recently passed, and 70% of the students are saying, teacher, we are going for CA, CA. Now let me give you one question. Is CA a cup of tea of everyone? Yes, it is. But for that, a dedication, hard work, everything is required, right? So it is not necessary a student is doing CA, then only he can have a successful career. Is it clear? So what happens in that? People are not planning what we have another options. And planning is having a lot of choices. From that particular choices, you have to select the best alternative. That is only planning. Take example, after 12th, you will be having lots of question, lots of question, lots of question. Take example, one of my ex-student that has passed before 2 years or 3 years, he had, when he was studying in 12th standard, he had a big dream कि ma'am, I am going to crack CLAT, I am going to appear for CLAT. So on Sundays I am going to particular institution for learning CLAT related classes. Entire year he was doing that. But when he got admission, what we get entrance exam he had given in CLAT, that is law entrance test, right? So in that what happened, he got the what we call good percentile and was about to take admission. If he was willing, so he can take admission. He would have taken admission in GNLU, that is Gujarat National Law University. There are a lot of field for commerce student also. But what happened again to him? I asked him when he came before this year, what happened? Have you taken admission? He said, no, ma'am. I had not taken admission because I want to be a judge. And a judge, to be a judge, it requires a lot of patience. It's about 8 or 10 years, and I cannot wait for this. So now I had not taken admission. Now I am conducting for UPSC entrance. So students, what is that thing? Can anyone give me answer? What is that thing? You are not clear what you want. It is, see, 80-90% of the student don't know what they want. But when you are achieving something, you should have acknowledgement of that. Yes, this is your effort. Is it you? If you will see UPSC exam and IPS exam and IAS, the engineers, doctors, all of them are also cracking it. Why there? So it can be done afterwards. But first of all, the hard work that you had done for particular work, you should take chance for it, because opportunities are there and you are not grabbing it. So it is not possible for you. Now for UPSC, I wish he cracks it a lot. But in the same year, government has introduced, Rajasthan government has changed the rules of the government, and the government has appointed in the High Court of what we say Rajasthan a youngest judge from GNLU, that is Gujarat National Law University, and he was just 23 years old. And if I remember, after that, 7 or 8 placements are done from national law universities in that particular seat of judges, and they are the youngest. What happens when you are not taking particular information of your subject? So whatever this is the right time. Focus your aim. I want to be this. Focus on that thing. So what happens? You are getting information related to that. But if you are diverting yourself, no, I will go to this side, no, I will go to this side. So planning fails here. So planning is what? Planning is giving you the selection of best alternative. Is it clear? Now, best alternative is to be selected. I'll give you a best example when how you are going to select a best alternative. Concept. Planning is to collect information for the activities to be undertaken in business. Consider them in advance and plan out how to do this business, right? Collect the information for activities. Whatever the activities are to be undertaken in business, that activities related information is to be collected. Consider them in advance. In advance, they are to be considered. Whatever the information you are getting, either it's a good thing, either it's a bad thing, you have to consider and how to do this activity. Now we had taken information on how to do this activity. Definition by Bill Goods. Task of planning is choosing the very simple definition. If you are not able to remember the name of author, when you are writing a 5-mark question, your 5-mark question answer starts with meaning and introduction of planning, or introduction and meaning of planning topic. So simple line, task of planning is choosing. If you remember the name of author, write Bill Gates. If you think I'm not remembering the author, avoid it. Just in inverted comma, introduction and meaning of planning, underline it, and in inverted comma, write task of planning is choosing. Is it clear? Then go to the next topic, whatever the topic is. From that, take example, importance of planning. So you will write importance of planning. Then whatever the importance of planning, main points are, that list is to be prepared. Then after that list, you will write the importance of planning are as under, explain in detail. All of them you have to explain, and finally conclusion. This is the format of 5-mark question, right? Let us come to our topic of definition. So definition by Bill Goods is, task of planning is choosing. The most important task of planning is choosing. Take example, when you see cricket team, playing cricket on the ground by the people, or any of the matches, what you will see, you will analyze it. हम खुद क्रिकेटर्स बन जाते हैं, नहीं हम कैप्टन बन जाते हैं. What we think, ऐसा नहीं, इसको बॉलिंग देनी चाहिए तो ये विकेट ले लेगा, और या तो इसको बैटिंग देनी चाहिए थी, they would have scored very good mark, good run. नहीं, don't we analyze it? So that is only task of planning is choosing. I always give students example of, if I remember March 2006 or 2007, I think 2007 World Cup 2020 India has win. In that, if I remember that only 2020, uh, any World Cup was there, and Mr. Joginder Sharma, Dhoni has given him the bowling of for that particular. I think 2020 match was there only. Right, so we were seeing definitions of planning, task of planning and choosing, and I was giving the example of World Cup. And Mahendra Singh Dhoni has given bowling to a particular person that was new for cricket world, right? But he had confidence, so he was confident in this situation. He is the person that is going to, what we say, win our team, right? So he had many options. But what is that? Planning. Planning is requires instant answers also. It's an intellectual process also. So he had selected a best alternative from the alternatives of bowlers of 5 to 6 available to him. Is it clear? So that is task of planning is choosing. According to George R. Terry, IMP definition, it was asked in exam also. Give definition of planning by George R. Terry. When a definition of particular author is asked, student, you have to write that particular author's definition only, and you cannot add your words. If, is, and, or, of, nothing is to be added or nothing is to be removed. As it is the definition, you will write in the same. What is the definition? Function of planning means assumptions for results. If we do this, so this will happen. That is assumptions of result. Policy to follow functions. What are the functions to be done? For that, policies are to be followed. Stages, and to decide the method to be followed, and whatever the method they are selecting to be followed. Again, I am repeating, repeat with me. Functions of planning means assumptions for results, policy to follow functions, stages, and to decide the method to be followed. Right, so these were the definition of planning by George R. Terry. Planning is an intellectual process to achieve goal. As I said earlier, planning is an intellectual process. You have to be smart. Everyone cannot plan, and everyone cannot get success through planning, right? Many of you would have seen, you would be hearing that the government has done lockdowns for these 3 months and 2 months, and what we are seeing lot of cases are increasing. We are seeing lot of deaths are there. But students, just think, if that planning was not done of lockdown, in the lockdown, government was not sitting idle. It has an intellectual process. When you compare Italy at that time, their prime minister, president, whoever they have, the head of the particular government, he was crying in front of press. He, now I am helpless. I cannot save my people. Right. But your leader, your government leader, what is he saying? Will come up with this situation positively. And that was a part of planning. Lockdown was a part of planning. Now what would be the question? What was teacher? Why we needed that kind of thing? We needed time for preparations of bed, ventilators, right? And staff has to be there. Everyone is to be needed training. We didn't have, as I said earlier also, we were buying sanitizers and masks, right? From Taiwan also we had exported when we didn't had. They had helped us at that time. But now we are helping other countries, right? We had helped to many of the countries. We had delivered many of the products also. Take example, hydrochlorine or something was the medicine that was given to America. So what is all this? This is a part of planning. Planning is an intellectual process that many of the people, they don't want to see the positive side of government. They will not see. But it is sure, students, if you are a smart kid, if you are a smart youngster, you will easily see we had prepared to PM fund, PM CARES fund. 50,000 ventilators are prepared. Now the question arises, many of the recently only I had seen the tweets by the liberals. your certain ventilators are not working. Yes, it is not working, but we are able to manufacture it or not. So whatever the loopholes are, that can be removed. Whatever the changes are to be done, that can be removed, but it is our own product. Why we can, or how we can avoid it? See, yes, we are going to make in India process, Atmanirbhar. But for being Atmanirbhar, you need certain failures also. We are failing in certain things. It is not necessary everyone will get success. So success is a stepping, failure is a stepping stone to success only. But certain people that don't understand. So planning is an intellectual process. Why I had taken this example? You would have seen many of the states had worked very well through this pandemic, right? And certain states are not able to deal with it. The reason is lack of planning. They are not using their intelligence. They are not using their main manpower, right? Everything is there. So you can analyze the present situation. It's the best example of success of planning also and failure of planning. So there are characteristics of planning. So first of all, what we had seen definition of planning by two authors, that is Bill Gates, that is task of planning is choosing, and second definition by George R. Terry that I have explained. IMP, either it's a textual question or not, I want this definition to be written in your textbook. Right. Now characteristics. So I will continue with the characteristics in next lecture. Before that, I want to discuss something with you. Like many of the questions are coming, teacher, we don't know how to write board questions. See, in board question, take example, in last lecture I had said, I had given you a task, 2 and 3 marks of board questions from lesson number 2 are written. Take example in March 2020. 2 mark question was rule of thumb. What is rule of thumb? In your textual question, it is also there. What is rule of thumb? Right? In you had written in your notebook, just in brackets on side you write March 2020, means this question is asked in March 2020. Then next question of 3 mark was asked is what are the importance of uh, principles of management. So what happens? The same question is from textbook. You have written in answer, written that answer. So near that question also in bracket write, highlight it with red color. March 2020, importance of management, right? In the same way, 2018 question, whatever the question is, that you will find it out in paper and you will write. If it's a textual question, in that you have to written March 2018, 2 mark question. Next question is another, so you will write March 2018 question. Is it clear? And if some new question is from the last 5 years paper, board papers, you find it out. So you continue with that chapter. This is the question asked in March 2019. Suppose the question is principles of management are flexible but not rigid. If it is not in textbook, you will write that question, explain this concept and bracket March 2019. Simple things are to be done, no matter it is not needed to be afraid, right? So here I completed. See you in next period.